Welcome to Hospitality School.
Hello and welcome to the official YouTube channel of www.hospitalityschool.com. In our today's episode, you will learn everything you need to know about
Ultimate Free Waiter and Waitress Training Guide Part 2. Placing the order to kitchen. If the order is taken by computerized process, then the server don't have to worry about the order. But when it is done manually, then servers must place their orders in the kitchen. Following three methods are adopted worldwide. Oral method: server directly enters the kitchen and describes the order to the kitchen staff. Written method: the waiters write the order on a checklist and then hand over the order to the chef. Entered: an order is entered into a computer terminal and sent to the chef electronically, who will execute the. Please pause the video and click on this subscribe button. Order: picking up orders from the kitchen. Here are some commonly used ways to inform the waiter in order to pick the order from the kitchen. A lighted number on the wall of the dining room. Oral communication. A large wall clock, which will light up a particular number of a server, after the order is prepared to be picked. Pages for the servers, through which information is communicated to pick the order. While picking the order, you must maintain the following things. Right order has been prepared and garnishing is done in an eye-appealing way. Never serve your order in soiled dish. Use a clean and double-folded napkin to pick up hot dishes. Place the order after the table has been cleaned. Use a tray to carry your order. Serving the guests properly. To make the serving procedure appropriate, and to acquire guest satisfaction, the server must maintain standard table settings procedures, which are as follows. Place the appetizer in the center of the table. Set soup bowl, main course, and entrees directly in front of the guests. Put salads in the left side and breads in the right side of the guest. Place serving flatware and beverage glassware on the right side of the dish. Set condiments in the center of the table. Server has to follow some general rules while serving meal, such as serving meal to women and old guests first. Serving food using left hand from the left side of guests. Serving food according to the standard category, example, appetizer, main course, and dessert, with necessary serviceware. Place beverages with the main course, but serve when it is ordered by the guest. While serving dessert and beverage, refill coffee or tea and other beverage glasses until the coffee pot or the water carafe or the wine bottle is completely emptied. Make sure that all accompaniments and servingware are placed appropriately. Serving at booths. Serving at booths is quite different and difficult from serving at table. For example, the waitstaff has to serve guests at the widest end of the table in booth service. The waiter has to use left hand when guest is right side of the server, and use right hand when guest is on the left side of the guest. The server should instantly clear items and ready for next after serving the current guest, as booths often have less space than tables. Clearing the tables after having meal. The waitstaff should clean table after confirming that guests have finished meal completely. To clean the table, a server usually performs the following tasks. Clear all soiled dishes and serviceware, and keep them on a tray. Do not remove beverage glasses until completely emptied, and guests exit. Clear other miscellaneous items from the table. Crumb the table with the crumbert, to make it ready for dessert, or after dinner drink. Presenting the check, and saying goodbye. There are some signals by which you can understand that the guest has finished meal, and waiting for bill, such as reaching for coats, purses, or packages, or the guest may ask for the bill or the check. After paying bill, the guest usually leaves a tip for the waiter. You must thank to the guest for coming and providing tips, and genially invite them to return. Say goodbye to the guest with a pleasant smile, and give a warm feeling to the guest to make it long-term relation. Visit our website, hospitalityschool.com, to download training manuals, PowerPoints, videos, and read 200+ hotel and restaurant management training tutorials. Attention, listen very carefully. To read this tutorial from website, click here. To watch food and beverage service training videos, click here. Again, to watch housekeeping training videos, click here, and last but not least, to watch front office training videos, click here.